Hello, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to use the ESP32 to turn on and off an LED through Wi-Fi using Blynk IoT. So I need this 200 ohm resistor, okay, and I'm going to put that in here, okay, on this side of the breadboard, and that's my LED, that's the anode, and that's the cathode. Okay, the anode is connected to this side of the 200 ohm resistor. That cable is going to ground, and this side I'm going to attach to negative pin of the LED. Now I'm going to use the pin D2. Okay guys, keep that in mind, pin D2. Okay, and I'm going to attach pin D2 to this side of the my 200 ohm resistor. Okay guys, now the cable, an Android cable, okay, Samsung cable to upload the program to our board. We need to create a Blynk cloud account. Okay guys, you go to Google and you click on start free. Give your email address. Okay, you gotta confirm your email address, so go to the to Gmail, okay, to confirm it. Okay, so you click here, welcome to Blynk console, I think. Okay, and you click on create a password. Okay, a few seconds, and now you create a password. Okay, a strong password, so click next. Then you give a name to your account. Okay, my name is Itamar, and congrats, you just created your account. Okay, Blynk cloud account. Now I'm going to create a template. Okay, its name is going to be switch on and off an LED. The hardware is going to be ESP32, and the connection type is Wi-Fi. The description is optional. Now we've just created the template. Now go to data streams, new data stream, and choose virtual pin. Okay, its name is going to be LED. The pin is V0. Okay, 0 on, 0 off, 1 on. Okay, we can give it with a color and click create. Now go to web dashboard. Okay, you drag the switch onto the middle, I don't know, and we configure the switch. Okay, we give a name to the switch, push button, and we pick the the data stream that we've just created. Okay, LED V0. Okay, so we save it. Okay, and we save it again here. Okay, it's okay. That's our push button. Okay, now if you want to that's the mobile dashboard. You have to download the Blynk app on your mobile, okay, to configure the switch. Okay, so go to search and new device, click on new device, and you're gonna add the device that you've just created. Okay, and its name is going to be is switch on and off an LED. So pick switch on and off an LED. Okay, that's the device. Okay guys, you pick that and click on create. Okay, we've just created a new device. Okay, that's our push button. We're gonna need this code. Okay, the token. Okay, the authentication code. Okay, and we're gonna put that in our program. Now go to your mobile phone and download the Blynk app. Okay, Blynk IoT. Okay, after the download, you log in into your account by giving your email address and your password that you've just created. Okay guys, and you click on login, and your project is already there. Okay, switch on and off any LED. Now click on your project. Okay, you gotta create a mobile user interface for your device. Now you go here and here and click on here. Okay, like that. We quit that and plus, and you add the pick the button. Okay, choose the button, and you drag that onto, I don't know, center, and after that you click on this. Okay, to configure it. Okay, now pick your virtual pin. Okay, is LED V0. Okay guys, I think it's okay. Now you can you pass from push to switch because you're gonna use a switch. You can give a title, okay, to this push button, to the button. Okay, I choose switch. When is off is off, when is on is on. Okay, and we can change the size of the this stuff. Okay guys, we can even choose a color for our push button, for our switch. Okay, I think everything is set up. Now you can see our switch here. Okay, it's okay. Now the Blynk mobile app is set up. We needed to go ahead and set up ESP32 with Arduino IDE. Go to File, Preferences. Okay, File, Preferences, and copy this link that I'm going to put on the video description and paste it here. Click OK. Click OK. Now you are able to download the ESP32 ESP32 library, go to boards manager and look for ESP32 and install it. Okay, wait few minutes. Okay, now you are able to see here the ESP32 library, I mean board. Okay, now here I'm using ESP32, so ESP32 doesn't have pin V0 pin. Okay, so we need to change that to V2. Okay, now we're going to cap these information and put that on our program. Okay, the authentication, okay, like that. So that's our program. Okay guys, we need the stuff. Okay, Blynk library, Wi-Fi library, and these informations. Okay, you need to put that. You can see here the Blynk authentication token. Okay, you cap that and paste it on in here. Okay, auth variable. Okay, that's a yeah, here you put that here. So you need your we need your Wi-Fi name and the password of your Wi-Fi. Okay, for me this is my password. Okay, the password of my Wi-Fi. Okay guys, so that's the Blynk, right? Okay, that it helps us to turn on and off our LED, okay, through Wi-Fi. Okay, so in void this setup function, we say that the virtual pin V2, okay, is an output, and the Blynk begin function has the authentication, our Wi-Fi password, okay, and the name of our Wi-Fi. Okay, the void loop is going to be executed forever. So now we can send our program to our board. Okay, ESP32 dev module, the port is COM3. Okay guys, now we can upload our program, and you press the button boot while you send the program to our microcontroller. Okay, we're going to switch on and off this LED using our phone. Okay, so it's off, on, the LED turns on, off, the LED turns off. Thank you guys.